Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install shaders on Minecraft PC. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now in this video, we're going to be using Iris or Iris shader as a bridge. Okay, so make sure that you close Minecraft and go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now in your browser, just type down Iris shaders. Okay, hit on enter. Now click on the first link. Now go ahead and click on downloads. Download Universal Jar. Okay, download this one. Wait for the download page to pop up. Save it wherever you want, just like so. Wait for the download process to finish. And then once that's done, okay, let's go ahead and check. Here we have it, the .jar. Okay, so as you can see here, it doesn't have the Java logo. That means that our computer doesn't have Java installed. We're gonna go through that later. So first, we're gonna go ahead and download some Minecraft shader packs. All right, you can go ahead and download from Motherinth or CurseForge. Let's say CurseForge right here. I'm just going to click on it. And then you have complementary shaders right here. If you want this one, by all means, you can go ahead and try it. Just download it. All right, save it to your desktop. And maybe we're going to go ahead and download from Motherinth as well. Maybe BSL shaders right here. I'm going to click on it and just hit on download at the top. Select the game version right here, which is the latest, okay, or depending on your version of the game or Minecraft. And then the platform, of course, we have downloaded Iris, so we're going to go ahead and select Iris as well. There you go. Now, once that's done, to fix the Java problem, we'll go ahead and go to Java. I'll just go ahead and look for Java. Download Java right here. Scroll down. Select the 64-bit. Desktop, save. Now go ahead and run the JRE. Okay, as you can see here. So first up, Java, double click on it. Install. And just wait. Now as you can see here, it still isn't there. Well, we'll go ahead and download the jar fix. So go to find right here, open up a new tab, jar fix. Use the ones from Johan right here. Click on jarfix exe. Save it on your desktop. Run it. Yes. It says here registered. Okay. Now go ahead and double click on the jar file. Use Java TM platform SE binary. Always. There you go. Now Iris and Sodium is now available. So in here, just leave it to the game version that you have, or Minecraft version, and just click on install. All right, wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, close this one. And as you can see here, we still have two RAR files. Well, these are our mod packs. So go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher, and Iris should be now available right here. As you can see, you can just go ahead and hit on play. Play. Wait for it to load. Now what we're going to do here, okay, let's just go ahead and make this one bigger. Go ahead over to options, and then here just go ahead over to video settings. And as you can see, shader for Iris and Sodium is now available. Now what we're going to do here is just go ahead over to shader packs under Iris. Now it says here download shaders, right? You can just go ahead and drag and drop both of these mod packs, okay, or you can just go ahead and drag and drop one. Okay, it's up to you. As you can see, it's done. You can now go ahead and delete these packs if you want to, as it's already been added under Minecraft. Now to apply one, you can go ahead over, for example, BSL right here. I'm going to go ahead and use it. You can also set the shader pack settings right here. Okay. Now just go ahead and hit on apply and done. Now let's go ahead and hit on done and open up a game. And as you can see, here we now have our installed shaders. This is actually BSL shaders. And there you have it. That is how you install shaders on Minecraft PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.